Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at this intelligent solar street light. This was very kindly sent out to me by the manufacturer. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. Some information on the box is dual color switchable, high brightness LED, waterproof IP65. It does come with a remote and the light is time adjustable, brightness adjustable, easy installation, charging indicator, and it has a beam angle of 120 degrees. I'll take everything out of the box. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, a like would be appreciated and do subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get an instruction manual, get some mounting hardware. Comes with 2 batteries, which is good that they've included the batteries. They are AAA batteries. The remote control is made out of plastic. For off button there and on button, which is good. You could control the light from inside rather than the light coming on itself or going off by itself. You have the option to control it yourself. Control wheel there, you've got 100%, 50%, then you could decrease it by 10% or increase it by 10% as well. Cool white goes from all the way to 6000 to 6500 Kelvin, and the warm white, which goes from 3000 to 3200 Kelvin. You have a timer option as well. You could have the light on for 2 hours right up to 8 hours. Onto the actual light, it does have a decent amount of weight to it. That's mono solar panel there. That's plastic. That's all metal. Over there, that's where you would mount it from. It's got the mounting holes there. That's the on-off button. They recommend to leave it off and let it charge for 3 days. That's for heat. Motion sensor. You've got 49 LEDs there. As I've mentioned before, dual color PIR sensor for the remote. I've turned the light on. As you can see, the indicator there, it's green now and it's turning red as well. It's letting me know that there's charge in the light and it's ready to use. So if I push the on button on the remote, if I push the auto button, it's blinked once. That means it's in light sensor mode, but there's no motion. So it will turn on at night time and go off during the day. That should give around 5 to 6 nights of usage. If I push the auto button again, it's blinked twice. Now that's gone into motion sensor mode. It stays on around 30%, and as soon as it picks up motion, it will go up to 100% brightness for 15 seconds. If you use the light at 100% brightness, you'll get around 10 hours and 20 hours at 50% brightness. The times depend on how much charge the light is actually getting. In winter, of course, it'll be slightly reduced to the times you get in summer. Okay, we've had a look around the light. Now I'll come back when it's dark and then we'll see how bright it is. Apologies for the quality of this part of the video. I'm going to try the light now. It's dark around here, apart from there's a street light on that's further away. Okay, so if I turn it on, let's push 100% brightness. It is at 100%. This is cool white, by the way. If I go to 50%, that's 50%. If I just point it down, warm white, that's at 50%. And if I go to 100%, go, you can see it's covering a large area. If I go to cool white, it's at 100%, and if I reduce it down, that's reducing it down by 10. And as you can see, the light is really bright. It's covering a decent amount of area. Of course, if you want to cover a wider area, just mount the light higher. In terms of the remote working distance, we've managed to use it within 3 meters. That's without any obstructions. It's a well-made light, IP65 with good brightness levels. We really like the auto feature where it comes on at night itself and then goes off in the morning. not having to be mains powered. You can mount it wherever you want. As you can see here, we have it on a fence. This light is far better than any other outdoor light I've used. We could definitely recommend this light. Any questions, ask in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. See you all in the next video.